Hey gang, hi, I'm Edward Mann from Fast Eddys Keys Express. People know me as Fast Eddie. Today what we're going to do is we have a customer that lost their keys to their vehicle because they were carjacked. So we need to make a couple of new keys for their vehicle. It's a GM. And wipe their computer system free from the old keys. So if somebody came back with their old keys and tried to steal the vehicle again, they wouldn't be able to because it would no longer start the vehicle. And of course, like I said, we're going to program the new keys into the vehicle so that they can start it and move their car. So here goes our video. That's how you make a code key. So we use a mod to wipe a system clean when you lost all your car keys, so the keys cannot be used anymore on your vehicle to start it. So if the thief has the keys, they can no longer start the vehicle once we wipe the computer on your vehicle. So what we're doing is we're programming new keys to a vehicle where all the keys were lost for the vehicle. And we're programming 4 keys. Bingo, it works.
Voila.
Is that it, Simon?
That's it.
So that's how it's done. Typically, a job like that takes $265 to cut and program 2 code keys to a vehicle, GM, and wipe the computer system completely clean so the old keys can't be used to steal the vehicle again. Luckily, the customer didn't get injured. They didn't attack them or shoot them, so that's good news. But more importantly, their vehicle's on the road now, and we were able to assist them doing that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a fantastic week. I'm Fast Eddie from Fast Eddys Keys Express from Minneapolis, Minnesota. Bye-bye.